Hey everybody, it's Brian. One of the projects that I have on my list to get done is to remove this pergola. This has been here since we moved in about 5 years ago. It's in pretty rough shape, and I thought about cleaning it. I could pressure wash it. I tested it to make sure that would clean the algae off of it, and it would work. But as I thought about it, pressure washing this whole thing, and it's got a bunch of rusted spots I'd have to fix as well. To me, it just made sense to tear this thing out, and that will then highlight the bamboo a little bit better that sits behind this thing. So I went ahead and tore it out. It was a little bit of a pain in the butt because it's all metal and it is hollow, but it's sharp, and a lot of the screws were rusted holding it together. So I had to get the saw out and just cut it. But having it out of here, it just opens the area up. I think it feels a lot better over there. I have to figure out what I'm going to do with these pots next. So that's high on the priority list, figuring out what to put in these things as we move closer to summer.